Hi, I'm Mr. Becker, the zookeeper. Did you know that zoo animals can talk to each other? Like the time a little baby giraffe named Grant was born. He was different, but beautiful. His mama knew he was different, and she loved him from his head to his hooves. She'd say, "Grant, you were born different, so make a difference." And Grant wanted to be a painter, but there was a problem. How would Grant hold a paintbrush with his hooves? He was determined to find a way and set out to explore the beauty of the zoo. Does he find his talent? Well, let's visit the zoo and find out.